Hi, I'm Dave Blake from EasyGates Direct, and in this video I'm going to share with you today some of the functions and features in the DNAKE Smart Pro app, namely some on how to use the relay outputs, access the cameras, set up additional users, and use some of the additional Siri features and unlock features that this app has to offer. So once you're logged in, your installer will have provided you with the details on how to log in, whether that's using the QR code via the monitor to scan and set up your user credentials, or that you'll have provided that with them and they'll have manually set this up for you via the cloud. But once you're logged into the app, you'll have the entrances that will have been set up for you. So for this case, I've set the main one up as the front gate. This will be set up however it was set up originally on the cloud. This is how it's going to appear in the app. So yeah, front gate there. I'm going to use this as an example today. You'll see you've got three icons there, kind of a picture of a door, picture of a webcam, and a picture of a phone unit there. So let's go through these one by one. So the doors, these are for basically the output of the call station there, and what these are connected up to. So the relay outputs. So if I press that little symbol there, it'll come up and it'll have what I have set up to be the main gate, which is relay 1, and the pedestrian gate, which is set up to relay 2. If I select one of those, it will give me a confirmation to say unlock successful, and you know that the gate will be opening then. The next icon along, you've got the webcam kind of symbol there, which if I press that, it will take me to a video feed directly from the call station there. You'll see that's our tray counter there. That's what we've got this set up in. And then the third icon there is the little mobile phone, kind of a little phone symbol, which will call the entrance, and this will bring up an audio connection as well as the video connection that you've got there. I'm just going to switch that off so it doesn't record. And in both of these scenarios where you press the webcam or press the call, you'll have the option to unlock the gates as well, or take a short snapshot that saves to your camera roll as well. So if I come back out of that and show you some of the other features there. So you'll also see you've got the QR code unlock, and this is applicable on all DNAKE door entry systems, where if you press this, hold the QR code up to the camera of the intercom, it will recognize you as the user and will open the gates for you. If I come back out of there, the other thing with this QR code unlock, the other feature that's available to you is temporary QR code keys, where you can set up if you have workers or visitors coming to the property and you want to give them limited access, let's say over the weekend or something like that. If you click at the bottom right hand side of the app, you've got a little function called Me. If you press that and go to temp key, which is about the fifth one down, and from here you can create a temporary QR code. So if I click create temporary key, put the name in here, should put this as test door station, it will ask me which entrance I want this to operate. So let's say I only want this to operate the pedestrian gate. Confirm. So I'll only operate relay 2 now, and change the mode to daily, and let's change the start time to be let's say 2025. So we're in month 11, which is November, day 1, which is the 1st of November. And I want this to start at, let's say, 1 p.m. Change that down to 0. Confirm. So now from 1 p.m. on the 1st of November to, let's say, to the Monday, which will be 11th, and set that to, again, midday. Oops. Where am I going? Let me switch that back to 2025. And then scroll that down to 12 o'clock midday, press confirm, click submit. This will generate, now you'll see I've got a QR code. I can share this key, and I can do it either via email or via WhatsApp, Messenger, however you want to send this across. And now this QR code will only work periodically between those dates and times. So it's a nice feature if you've got people coming over, you only want to limit their access, etc. Great little great little tool or feature in the app. I'm just going to delete that and go back so I can show you some of the other features. So yeah, temporary keys, great thing. You've also got on this setting here, you've got unlock settings. In here, we've got, if your door station has got Bluetooth built in, which some of them have, the S414 has, then you can use your phone, shake your phone to unlock the door or gate, or if you come within range of the call station and it picks up the Bluetooth signal there, it will unlock the gate automatically for you. The device I've got set up today hasn't got Bluetooth built in, so I can't really demonstrate that. Nor has it got facial recognition. But if you did have, like, say, one of the alternative models, like the S414 by DNAKE, that has got facial recognition built in as well, where you can just click on that and upload your own portrait through the app, and as on approach, the video come up and it will recognize you and open the gates for you automatically. The other great feature in this app is you've got Siri commands as well. So if you click on Siri and click on Add, let's give this a name, and we'll call this Open Front Main Gate, and click on Add, and we want to add this to the main gate and confirm, and press Save, and then it will click Add to Siri. Click Done. And then now I can just basically say, hey Siri, open front main gate. And you can see that's opened the front gates now. So if I come back out of there and go back, so that's some of the unlock settings. Those are the additional unlock settings you've got there as well. In this section as well, you can see at the top there, we've got family management. And this is how you can add additional users to use the intercom. Now, what I would say is that you need, for every additional user that you set up, it has to be a unique email address. So you can't log into multiple devices with the same credentials that have been set up. If I logged into another device now, it would force log me out of the previous device. So for every device that's set up, you need a unique email address. There's a maximum of 5 family members that can be set up in this section here. And you can either do this through the app, or if you've got access to the cloud, you can do it through the cloud as well. But yeah, you just basically put in the credentials here and then press Save. That new user will then get an email with their login details on how to log into the app and where to go to download it, etc. But yeah, one important note on that is maximum of 5 devices there. There's obviously other settings in here as well. You've got call settings as well. You can change the do not disturb settings, the notification, how it comes through, etc. But I'm not going to go too much into that. But one other piece of note is the logs at the bottom there. So if I just click log at the bottom of that bottom of the app, you can see you've got calls, alarms, and unlock. Now, alarms isn't too frequently used. That's basically if you've got an alarm kind of mode set up on your monitor there that's been tied into a third-party system. But your unlock and your call logs there are quite useful. So you can see obviously the time and the information, the date as to when unlocks have occurred. But it will also take a little snapshot as well as to who's unlocked. So if it's been opened by keypad code or facial recognition, etc., you can see who it is that's unlocked the gate and what time it's been unlocked by. Also, the same again with calls. If I click on the call information there, it'll take me a little screenshot or snapshot of who it was that's called, and if you've had any missed calls, etc., those will appear there again with a little snapshot of who is that you've missed, whether it be the Amazon driver, Royal Mail driver, etc. But that's it. Yeah, so that's the main kind of functions and features within the app. There are other settings in here to explore, but yeah, for the core kind of app features there, that's what I'd recommend taking a look at.